Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw deal reports from Pipedrive. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw deal reports from Pipedrive, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section located in the main menu. In the Reports section, look for the Deals Report option. Click on the Deals Report to access the available deal reports. You may see several filters on the left side of the screen. Adjust these filters according to the specific information you want to retrieve. Filters may include date ranges, deal stages, or owner assignments. After setting your desired filters, click on the Apply button to update the report. Review the report to ensure it reflects the information you need. To download the report, locate the Export button, usually found at the top right. Click the Export button and choose your preferred file format. Common formats include CSV, Excel, or PDF. Select the format and confirm your choice. The report will then prepare for download. Once ready, the file will automatically download to your device. Open the downloaded file to view your deal report. You have now successfully withdrawn a deal report from Pipedrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.